Welcome back to AWS DevOps and Linux and Shell Scripting series. Welcome back to AWS DevOps LokeshTech YouTube channel. Today we are going to install about Docker. Okay, so let's see. One second. Share my screen. So we have discussed about Docker engine last class, right? Can you see this, guys? You can able to install. It is a platform as a service, I told, right? So you can able to install by using this. You can able to install in Mac, Windows and Linux. But I don't use Windows as a DevOps engineer and as a AWS DevOps engineer. I will use always Linux. Okay. So if somebody who want to install this Docker engine in Azure, I mean like Windows, okay, so he will use in Windows setup. Okay, for Mac person who are using Apple laptops, he will use this. So if I press on this Linux, you see this. So one second, in this you can see it is platforms compatible and supported to CentOS, Debian, Fedora, okay, Raspberry, RHEL, Red Hat, okay, SLES, Ubuntu, binaries, okay, lot of, okay, it will support to all. So I'm going to use this Linux. Okay, so in Linux also I'm going to use Ubuntu. Okay, this so how I am going to install, in the sense, see, so I'm going to launch instance, guys. What is platform as a service? I have used one word called platform as a service. Have anyone have an idea? Anybody? What is PaaS, SaaS, huh? Infrastructure as a service, IaaS? What is the major difference between these three? I hope, I think you can hear me or what?
Yes, sir. You are audible, sir.
Okay, okay, fine. So anybody have idea, guys? This question frequently asking in interviews. So who's going to enter this software initially? They are actually asking this question: what is PaaS, what is SaaS, and what is IaaS? Hmm?
Don't know, sir.
Yeah. See, platform as a service means the application which you run on your physical machine. Okay, applications like this, whatever the application, like MySQL, something which is physically installed on your server. Okay, that application should be run on your operating system. SaaS application means software as a service. You can use software as a service. Okay, so what are the software as a service? For suppose, if you can ask me, so some applications only give the service, software give the only service, SaaS applications. IaaS means infrastructure as a service. Company is some like, for example, AWS is there, it will provide complete infra, right? So Terraform is there. By using Terraform we can able to create entire infrastructure by using code. Infrastructure, we can, you can create entire infrastructure by using code, right? IAC, infrastructure as a code. Terraform is IAC platform. Okay, by using code you can create entire AWS infrastructure. Okay, like that. So you can see, I think, is it visible? See, infrastructure as a code. See, what is the difference between? See, what is SAS? Where is SAS? So it is not good option. Let me go back. See, I think this comparison is good enough. I think so. Yeah, you see this? This completely on-premise. What is on-premise? Physical infrastructure. Okay, physical infrastructure that you have to maintain your own. Okay, entire infra. You have to you have to run by your own. Okay, physical infrastructure. So infrastructure as a service. Infrastructure means, see, applications, data, runtime, middleware, all networking, storage, servers, and virtualization. Okay, these only few things will be available in our on-premise. So platform means networking, storage, service, virtualization, operating system, middleware, or runtime. Okay, so these things will be available. Okay, applications and data only you have to use. Application, so everything you have a setup, like software as a service. Entire infra will be provided by someone. Okay, you just simply utilize the service. Okay, software as a service, you have to use this service as you have to use this software as a service. Entire things he will provide. Okay, so he will provide something and you have to create something here. Infrastructure means infrastructure, someone will provide these and you have to create all this. Okay, on premise means all your own, everything is your own. Okay, you understood? So on premise applications, data, runtime, middleware, everything, virtualization, servers, storage, networking, everything you have to set by your own. Okay, but infrastructure as a service, networking, storage, servers, virtualization will be provided by others and you have to do all this. You have to do by your own these things. Platform as a service, platform they are providing entire platform, networking, storage, servers, virtualization, operating system, middleware, runtime. Okay, you have to do by your own data and application. These only your work is getting reduced, right? So software as a service, so entire software is ready, just you have to use the service. Okay, example, see, source, for suppose, see this is GitLab. It is not, you are not doing anything, right? Directly you have to install and you have to use, means software as a service. See here, virtualized computing resources and infrastructure components managed over web interface, right? And platform as a service, set of tools and hardware aimed at supporting software development and hosting managed and used over web infra. Okay, so other examples, see this, AWS. What is the example of AWS is, you understood? Infrastructure as a service,
Yes, sir.
right? So we can also use Terraform, right? Terraform, by using Terraform we can create entire AWS infra. Okay, so next anything, see, Terraform, by using Terraform we can create entire infrastructure. Only few examples given. Okay, so that is the difference. right? Okay. Docker something like this. I'll use this. Use keep here. Download it. Okay. I'm using everything free tier, guys. I'm not changing anything. So let me launch this instance. Okay. Yeah. See. So I'm going to launch. So where is the location exactly, Sham?
Sir, Electronic City Phase 1, sir.
Great. It is near to you only, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good. Yeah. So this is actually we have launched one instance. This is my platform, guys. Okay. This is my mission. So on top of this is my main mission. If you consider if it is your own mission also, for example, in physical mission, I'm telling physical mission, in the sense whatever you are having Windows, on top of that also you can install Docker engine. Okay, by using Windows. Okay, so I just have set up all the things. So Linux, you know, right, as compared to Windows, Linux very much easy, right? So see this command, I have to set up the Docker desktop. Okay, so 1 second. Yeah, see this, I need to update. Only you need to install the packages, very simple. Paste. Okay, okay, what is, see this guys, it's Ubuntu 24.04 version. Okay, so these versions should be prerequisites. You have to maintain this versions also. Okay. One second. This directory, I don't have this directory. Okay. These are all old versions. Run the following command: uninstall conflicting packages. Okay. So let's try this.
So we can also do it in Amazon Linux now, sir.
Yeah, we can do that. Amazon Linux also.
Yeah, you're using Ubuntu.
Yeah. Yeah. So this is the image, guys. See this? What I have done is apt get install docker. This is CLI related container.io. Container we have created. Okay. We have created container. These are all prerequisites. Whatever prerequisites that I have installed. Then after container. See this? Docker run. I have used docker run command for to verify the Docker engine installed successfully or not. So we have used this, right? So whether it is successful or not, after install this we have to run this command. First of all, we have to create the container. To create the container, so container.io, this is installation. Okay, Docker packages installation. Okay, after that let me try to run this. See this guys, it got created. It's not find locally, but pulling image library from so and so, it's pulled. This is ID, container ID. Let's see, Docker. Let's see, doc version. I'll check. See this, guys. What is the version of Docker? 27.0.3, right? I will check Docker info. See this, all information, whatever container which I have installed now, right? Container, that container ID. Okay. So all your information you will get if you use docker info command. Okay. Next, I'll simply use Docker. We'll see what we'll get. See this, Docker related all the information, all options, whatever in the Docker by using Docker commands. So you will get all the information. See, Docker run, Docker exec, Docker ps, Docker build, Docker pull, Docker push. So these are all you will get. What is the run? To run the container. Exec means to execute the command. PS means list of containers. Okay. Build means build an image from Docker file. Pull means a download and image. You have to, by using this command, pull command from the Docker repository. Okay, Docker registry, it will pull the image. Okay, for example, Jenkins, I want to pull the image from Dockerhub. Okay, Docker pull Jenkins. You will get Jenkins also. Okay, push, upload a image. For example, you have created your own custom image. If you want to save that image in your Dockerhub, you can use Docker push. Okay, images, already existed images, list of images. In Linux we have used for list ls only, right? The same images you have to use the command here. Okay, docker login, docker logout, search, version info, etc, etc. We have all these things, right? So all the information you will get if you by using docker command. Okay, and for example, docker ps, see this, if you use this docker ps, current running images containers you can see. Okay, container id, image, all this, but I don't have anything running, right? Docker container ls, see this, nothing. These two are both command for one purpose only. By using docker ps and docker container ls, is works for same. Okay, next, docker containers I want to see. Docker container, ls -a. See this, hello world which I have installed, right? Container id, this is image. Hello world is not statement, it is a image. Okay, for example, I want to see only image. Docker images, see this, hello world, this is tag, something which he is given while we are running this hello world image. See this. Okay, next to this is image id, and how long you have been created? You have been created this since 14. This is funny. Okay, I think 14 minutes something went wrong. Okay, that's fine, 14 minutes back. Okay, size is how much, guys? This is one kind of operating system. You can, for suppose if it is one kind of operating system, okay, it will be in MBs only, KBs. It is in KBs. KBs is very small than MB, right? Images will be in KBs until unless if it is a big one, big application. Okay, see, Docker images. Okay, so if you want to see running containers, what you have to use? Command docker ps. If you want to see containers list, docker, every command, if you want to see anything in the first, initially you have to keep docker as mandatory. Docker container ls, see this. Okay, so you can see list of docker containers. Okay, for example, this is actually I want to use docker container -ls -a. What is the difference, guys? This one you have seen ls -a, right? Earlier in Linux.
Hidden file, sir.
Yeah, it is in hidden. Okay, it is in hidden. Okay, it is default one, it is in hidden. But if you create in a container, you can also use this docker ls. You will get the containers. Okay, so I want to create containers one by one. I will show you guys. I think I am going very fast, so let us go very slow. Where is that? Where is my engine? Yeah, here. Okay, these are all done. This is Docker document, guys. This manual is given by Docker. Okay, So I want to, this is all setup done, completely done. Okay, so I don't have any prerequisite, like I don't have any existed document, guys. So this is first time I'm doing, so that's the reason I'm trying to create document. No problem, I'll create a document and share with you. Okay, so let me try to take from here Docker. So I'll prepare, guys, no problem. So Docker engine prerequisites already done. Before this Docker container, what we have done, so we have installed this, right? So let me make, see, this is for you guys, I will share with you, no problem. So after that I have installed container. Okay, so this is sample one. Okay, see, so this also I will so everything, all comments I'll give you guys. Okay, see guys, tell me any one image. For suppose I want to take a image Jenkins, for suppose. Okay, I want a Docker, I want Jenkins image in my Docker. Okay, so we'll see this Docker pull Jenkins. Okay, what is it is asking? Latest. Okay, one second. For example, for suppose we'll take this. Okay, see, this is I'm pulling a image. Okay, pulling a image. What image? Ubuntu image, but I am not sure what kind of latest version is, so that I am going to keep latest. See this, I have pulled image Docker image. What is this, guys? This is Ubuntu. It is a one machine. Okay, how much the size it is? 78, which means lightweight, right? Ubuntu, what is Ubuntu? Ubuntu is not name, guys. Here, you know what is Ubuntu here? It is operating system, man.
Operating system.
See how much
Yes, sir.
size it is? 78 MB, just MB. It is in MB. Okay, so again I will take, so I'll also copy this. This is, I'll share. Okay, it will be useful for you guys. Okay, Docker, what is this? Docker image. What is the purpose of this? To see your images. I have already used this. See this here. See this. If you type Docker images, you will get entire list of the Docker images. Understood? Next, to run a container. Okay, for example, we have a pulled image, right? Okay, so I want to run that. Okay, what I want to see list of the containers. Docker container ls. No, I don't have any containers, but one is there. It is in hidden. This is on top of this these images are creating, guys. Okay, one Docker container is running. So on top of this, let's see, I'll try to, so I have this image, right guys? I have Ubuntu image, right?
Yes, sir.
So I want to run this image, paste, see this, oh sorry, oh no, see this guys, Docker run. What is Docker? It is Docker. If you want to run the Docker commands, you have to use Docker run, okay, -it, okay. So Ubuntu is image, okay. Let's run this. See this, where we are currently, guys? See this, where we are, huh? So this is actually my mission.
Inside the Docker container.
Yes,
sir.
inside I am, see, let's see, I don't see where I am, inside the Docker container, inside, okay. Not, this is not my main mission, guys. I am on this, okay. So let's see, I will also use this, paste. No, this is for, what is the purpose of this? This is currently running. If it is running, so it will show. If it is not run, it doesn't show like this. So I want to start the Docker container, okay. So I have used this command also, but it doesn't show, right? No, right? So I want to start the container. See, I want to start the container. He has given
For
stop.
stopping, sir.
I want to start
Command
the
is
container. Let's start. Okay, what is the container ID? See, where is that? Previous. This is a container ID, right?
Yes, sir. All over it.
Yeah, I'll go to here, Docker start. Why it is not found?
Sir, I think we are already in the image. Some image, sir, inside the image.
Yeah, I'll come out. So already it is running, I think so. We are inside of that, right, correct. Okay. So let me come out, exit. See where I am currently, right?
Root, sir.
So can I use this now? Copy. See this, it is running. One second, guys. Okay. So docker ps -a. See this, guys? So background it is running. See this?
Yes, sir.
This one is background it is running. So why it is background it is running? I have used -it, okay. Even if you close this also, background it will continuously running, okay. So for suppose if something, if I don't use that, if I stop this container, okay, for example, or exit from this, so your application, something is running, your important application, it will stop. That is the reason background it is running, okay. So can I use any other commands? One second. So this is for removing the container ID. It is for imaging, removing the image. RM for remove, I for image, okay. Docker image, if you want to remove the image of a Docker, so you have to use this command docker rmi and also image name, okay. So Docker images, create Docker file. Docker file, no, don't see about this. We'll see it later. It's long, so we have a lot of concept to discuss. You understood? So let's create another Docker containers. Okay, Docker images, sorry, give more Docker images. Let's create custom Docker pull. Anything, guys? Docker pull. So if you want to create, you can create custom, but the thing is we are using Docker pull, which means it is trying to connect with this. What is this, guys? This is Dockerhub.
Dockerhub, yes sir.
See this? So here official images will be there. So this is long back I have used. That's fine. I think 1 year back, 2 years back. It's long back I have used. So let's try whether it will works or not. I'm not sure, but so it is incomplete. It is showing something like this. Okay, I have created custom images and I have pushed into this Dockerhub. Okay, you understood? So we'll do that also later.
Yes,
So this is basic only. We are just to I'm just trying to say basic only. So after that we'll go one by one. So I want to see this Python program. See this Docker image is there. So I want to pull this Docker image into my machine. How? See this Docker pull, this whatever it is. Let me try to do this Docker pull, and this is image name. Enter. It will pull. See this? Some code is there inside. That's why it is taking this much. So it is pulling the image from Docker registry. You understood? Dockerhub. This one. This Dockerhub containing official images. Lot of. Okay. So if you want to, so these are all. I want Jenkins image. Okay. It's not available or anything. Tell me, guys. Nexus. I'm not remembering anything. Nginx. Let me go to here. Nginx. It is actually searching in my list. I'm sorry. See this, guys? This is Jenkins. I want to pull Jenkins into my container. Let me try to pull this. Okay, 1 second. I'm going to close this. Okay, see this Docker pull Jenkins so and so. Let me try to use this. Copy, paste. See this? It is pulling the image from Dockerhub. Guys, I did not share with you how to create the Dockerhub, right? You know that? You already have an idea, or I want to show?
It's same like GitHub, no sir?
Yeah, it's same like GitHub. Yeah. See this, guys? Yeah. So what are the images? You can see entire images if you're using this command, Docker images. See, 1 second, guys. I want to show that also because it is very scratch. So I have to cover this in this video only, in this class only. Again, I have to go back.
Okay.
So Dockerhub. Again, you people have to learn about this also. See this? This is the Dockerhub. initially you don't go this is already open. So Dockerhub, you have to go, this is a navigation, you have to type in this. So you have to register, okay, you have to register in Dockerhub. Get started. Okay, one second, some sound is getting, man, what is that? This is official, not official. One second. See this? Let me sign out, guys. It is showing my account only. Okay. So I have signed out, and I will go back. Again, I will go. I'll come here. Okay. See this, guys. Or else we will do one thing. Let's take. So you can I create for you guys? Anyone? I'll share password. I don't want to share here. I don't reveal your password. But if you can share with me email, I can create for you. Ish. Try. Can I try?
Yes, sir.
Tell me your email ID.
Sir, YOLAR.
YESH.
Cancel that, sir. Cancel that, sir. YOLAR.
YOLAR.
YESH. WANTH.
Yashwant.
At the rate gmail.com.
Okay. This will be your. If you want to log in, you have to use this email only.
Okay, sir.
575. Tell me any your lucky number.
410. 410.
So this is your college number.
No, sir, date of birth.
Date of birth. Fine. So I'm going to keep something. I will share with you later. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No problem.
One second. I'm also noting here. Okay, I've done something. Oh, okay. See this, guys? This is a Yashwant Dockerhub account.
Yes, sir.
So you can get all the information. You can read here if you want more information. Also, you will get all manuals, whatever. So you will get a lot of details here. So complete community you can find out Docker, what is Docker desktop, what is Docker compose, what is Docker build, Docker engine, Docker extensions. You can find entire things. If you have a time, you can read everything from here itself, right? So I'll click here. Okay, so let me open Docker.
Dockerhub, sir. Docker
Where is that?
option.
Where is that? Ah,
Third option.
okay. Yeah. See this? So he don't have any repositories, right? You don't have any repositories. Okay, so if I want to see here Nginx image, see Nginx image is there.
Yes.
Okay, this is Nginx image, right? So this image you will get like this. On top of any related to Nginx, you can able to see entire things like this. Okay, you will get entire things from here. Okay, so I will take image from here. Okay, so this is the command docker pull nginx. So this is actually normal. Okay guys, but thing is that, so along with this you have versions as well. So see this docker. So some people will officially create and will pull in this. So those official images you can find from here itself. Docker demos, docker demos nginx hello, something like this. Okay, so 10,000 hits in community. Okay, if you want to, you can keep here also your images, right? So I want to pull this image. Okay, let me try to pull this image. See this, you have to copy the command from here, right? I have to go here, so I'll paste here. Oh, it's locked out, I think so. It's not working. Once again. One sec. Okay, nothing is there. So docker images, guys, see this. Okay, docker containers -ls, sorry ls -a. It's not container, docker container. See this. Yes, you should not use any docker container. If you want to see enter all the containers, in the sense, you should not use plural. Okay, simply use container, anything. If it is one container or it is 100 containers, whatever, don't use plurals. Okay, simple container ls -a. If you use ls -a background, whatever background running containers, it will show. Okay, you don't have. Okay, so whatever temporary containers, okay, which is not started, okay, that will show here. Okay, so these are all containers. Docker images -a. So total we have all these images. So whatever we have recently pulled, which one also, see this guys, this is a big application. How much? 470. If you take this image, it will take more than 1 GB, 1.5 GB in your platform. Okay, in your machine. If you install this machine, it will take more than 1.5 GB or 1 GB. But here it is strict and it is lightweight. We have pulled Jenkins, we have pulled Ubuntu, we have pulled Python, and also this is hello world basic one. See this, right? So next
Sir, as if we do in Git and GitHub, we can also push to the repositories, no sir?
Sorry, what did you say?
As we do in Git and GitHub,
Hmm.
can we also push the files or images into the Dockerhub?
No, 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 no. How you cannot synchronize Git and Git Docker Hub.
No, sir. From like we do in Git and GitHub, from Docker terminal, this is terminal to Dockerhub, we can push the images, no, sir. Like we are pulling.
Yeah, 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 yeah. You are telling that same like as Git and GitHub, we can also push the same scenario. Yes, we can push also.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. Okay.
So Docker push. Okay. So and so image, copy, paste, and you see this. See, already it is existed. So it is connected with my Docker, right? Already it is existed. Same one. This hello world. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir.
So we can do that. So we'll see that also.
Okay.
I'm just thinking, what are the, did I miss anything, any comments or not? Okay, basic comments. Did I covered all basic covers or comments or not? I'm just checking myself. 1 second. So let me ask this. This is we have covered. I think so. This is also done. See this, man. I told you, right? Running containers for
Yes, sir.
PS, right? We have seen that. So this is all simply nothing. I for A means all, Linux command. Okay. So to stop the container, we did not see this, right? So let's see this. Control C, docker container ls name, docker okay, sorry, docker stop this container id, copy, paste. This is stopped, right? Let's see. See, we'll see. 1 second. Now it is clear, right? Completely you can see. Okay, so
That's already stopped, I think. We think
okay,
so.
1 second. Yeah, it is stopped on. Just checking only status whether can I able to see or not. Okay, so other also I will stop. Docker container, docker stop, stop. This also I'll stop. See, I'm using container id, which means I'm stopping container only. Paste, right? It is stopped. So let me try to check docker images. Yeah, okay. So if I want to start docker start, yeah, it is started. Okay, so for example, if I want to go inside docker run second. I'm trying to use this without container inside, yeah. Okay, so currently we are where we are exactly. So this image inside sudo so hyphen, okay, oh sorry, yum so apt hyphen get update. Okay, so we are inside of the machine, so whatever operations we have to do, we can do this, something like this. Okay, so I need to prepare a proper, guys. I think I'm not remembering, so I'll prepare the documentation. Okay, we'll go one by one, so time will not waste, right? Okay, so that's it, guys. This is all about just Docker installations. Okay, if you want to exit, you can exit. Docker images, see Docker images, you can see. I want to delete Docker images. How? Docker RMI, right? I want to delete this. Copy, paste, image name. This is unable to remove force. Okay, I will use this is default one. I'll try to use this. Copy, paste. What it is telling? Unable to remove repository reference Ubuntu must force. So using so and so container. Okay, container it is using. Okay, so we'll see this with the.
We have to stop the container, I think.
Yes, we have to stop the container. We'll already stopped, right? No. Where is the container? This is container, right?
Started as such.
Docker stop. Stop. Okay. Docker containers ls-a. So what we have stopped now? Double E. So we have to stop this also. Copy. Docker stop. Okay. Right. Next E0 finished. W finished. We have to use
751, yes sir.
yeah. Paste. Now all stopped containers. Let me try to delete Docker RMI. What is that? Previous one. This one, right? One second, it is asking why it is denying. See this, let's see. We have to use force, I think so. We have stopped it, right? Running and stopped running container. It is
It's
telling
saying we
us.
have to remove, sir.
Yeah.
To resolve the issue, it's saying you should stop and remove the container.
Yeah, we have stopped it, right? All containers we have stopped.
Sir, but it's saying we have to remove also.
Mm-hmm. So these are all containers, okay. Three existed, Eunice, you see the status?
Yes, sir.
So now it has to run. We have to remove. Docker stop also finished. So we'll see, we'll remove this. Remove in the sense entirely it will delete. No. Docker run. Sorry, docker remove. So container completely it will delete, So let's see. See it is deleted, completely deleted. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Copy, paste. See? Right? Only one container left. This is also I'm trying to delete. Paste. Okay, let's see. So what are the running containers? 0. ps-a running containers are 0. Okay, let me try now. RMI remove images first. Docker images. 1 second, guys. See, these are all images. So docker RMI. I'll try to remove one image one by one. Paste. Yeah, it is deleted. Huh? Demon, no such image. Then what is it? It is there, right? So we have to do
Try
force.
with image IDs.
So, okay,
Yeah.
let's try with image ID. And also we can use force as well. -f. 1 second.
Okay, so
I'll try with image name. We can delete with name also, guys. That's why we can. If you want to run the image by using name, we can run. But deleting, why can't? Paste. Delete it. Okay. I will remove force. Without force, I'll try. Deleted. See this, what is the difference? Simply it is completely deleted. It is also deleted. Let me try. Docker images, enter. So how many left? Only 2. Okay, 2 images left. So without I force also it will delete. Docker run -it. Oh, what I am trying, guys, don't paste. This message shows that your installation appear working correctly. Okay. Docker images. Okay. Docker container ls-a. I don't have nothing. Yeah, it is there something. See this, man? One container is there, right?
yes, sir. Hidden container. Yes, sir.
See, this container is there, so I will delete this also. Docker rm container ready, copy, paste, removed, right? Again I will use the same command. No, nothing, currently I don't have anything. right? Docker ps -a, nothing. Running is nothing. So that's it guys, and yeah, I will prepare for this. I will prepare for you this. Okay, I will share with you whatever comments which we have given along with the description. Okay, so I think
Okay.
this is all about Docker installation. We have a lot of concepts. Just we are in initial stage only. So let me open this. So we have covered this Docker container and its Docker. What is Docker and its container and features. Docker features, Docker history. I think it's not covered. I'll tell. It's not that much mandatory. It's okay. Docker architecture I have explained. Okay. Docker system requirements, installation setup, all these things completed. Okay. Docker installation done. Docker version done. Virtualization, this is also done. Add file system, VM also comparison done. Docker components, Docker workflow, Docker benefits, all covered, right, in theory. So Docker images,
Yes, sir.
Docker container we have seen. So till here we have completed. So I'm not following this table, but still I have covered all these areas. All topics I have covered. Next, Docker containers, Docker images completed. Just now we have seen what are the Docker images and what are the containers. I know still you have a bit confusion. I'll give complete clear cut clarity tomorrow. Okay. So Docker file is there, Dockerhub registry and installation, Docker installation configurations, Docker commands, Docker volumes, all related mapping ports. So see this guys, in networking here also we'll get ports. Okay, we'll get complete Docker networking will come here. Okay, so how to start the container traffic, how to use the ports. Okay, how to run the by using single command, how to run the image. Okay, all those we will see one by one. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
these are all. So there are a lot of concepts. Let's see one by one. Okay, don't panic about this, don't see all this. So we'll see we will deep dive into this Docker. Okay, so that's it guys. This is just a small and short introduction about Docker and installation. So we'll see tomorrow. We'll see next Docker related more information. So until then, take care. Bye bye. Any doubts, guys?
No, sir.
Right, Sham, are you there with me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, you are understood or any confusion?
No, sir. It's fine.
Okay, if you have doubts, just ask me. I'll try to answer. Okay, as my level best. Okay. So initially you may get bit confusion, but bit by bit you can understand what is the purpose, why we are creating containers, why we are creating images. On top of one container, how many images are, guys? One container you can create lot of images. Okay, you can create multiple containers as well. Okay, I have shown 2-3 containers, right? Okay,
Yes, sir.
with one container, whatever the images that we have created, we can attach the images as well, that we'll see later. Okay, so one by one, if I use all commands at once, no use, you can't understand. So this is only for basic, for what is Docker, what is Docker images, what are the containers, how to pull the images, how to pull the containers and all, how to create the containers. So what are the commands for see the images and containers, all these things, these small concepts we have seen. We'll see next other concepts I need to find out. So I need to find out and will get back to you. So tomorrow class we will see next related to basics. Okay, so after that we will deep dive into one by one. Okay, Docker file and all, right? That's it guys, that's it for today. So we'll see you in next class, tomorrow's class. So until then, take care. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.